Seems like we can get out there without a problem. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. Sorry about that. Welcome to another vlog as I'm leaving the nutliest of New Jersey's. I have 18 miles ahead of me, which will be about 38 minutes apparently. Except I'm not taking Midtown Tunnel because I don't need to spend like $10 on that. So it might take me a little longer. And right now it's like 45 degrees, 42 or something like that. 42 feels like 45 or something like that. And I'm wearing these new RNG's gloves. Makes you curious to see how they feel. I have them cranked up all the way. They're heated. So this is actually a new way, because I usually take a right here, but this is the new way in town through this little complex here. And then we just pop right on the highway, the easy way. I decided not to wear any rain gear because I've spotted a window in the dryness, but I wonder if that might be a mistake. I guess time will tell. It's gonna be a quick little cruise. I'm gonna watch England versus USA. Here we go. Seems like we can get out there without a problem. So we got 7 miles on this highway, and then we're home. It's a little bit wet, a little bit cold. Day after Thanksgiving, the next morning, I was up till like 2. We were hanging out, chilling with the bros, and then I woke up at like 6 because I couldn't sleep. I ate a little too much, and then decided to go home. The faster I go, the quicker I get there, because these miles right here are the easy miles, you know, just straight, as opposed to the Manhattan miles that are going to be wet with traffic. It's all good. I don't mind this. I just don't want to be in the spray. So far, not so bad. I mean, the gloves are waterproof and windproof. That's all you particularly need. Excuse me. Could probably get in the left lane. Stay away from the side spray. Yeah, good idea. Ah, the air is so fresh. Big fan, huge fan. Huge fan of waking up like this. 14 miles to go. Baby distance. Why are these people slowing down? Is this like a thing? I guess so. You do have to focus a little bit in conditions like this because it is wet. Tunnel is in like 5 miles, and then we're in Manhattan. And once you're in the city, you're all set. You're all set. Oh, this thing unclipped, I guess. Thought I clipped it in. I already got gas. Don't need none of that. Banana King. What a moody morning. I just want a cup of coffee and take a shower. I'm mad at this one eBay seller. This lady bought an item for me and she said she's gonna pick it up and then never contacted me, and now I got a fucking inquiry from eBay like as to what happened. I'm just like, yo, I'm about to tear this lady up, but it's all good, not a big deal. These things happen, obviously. Here we go. We're so close. We got 10 miles to go. Well, probably a little bit more since we're taking Queensbridge. Maybe Williamsburg Bridge. I don't know yet. I'm guessing Queens. Queens is a little bit closer. We're not trying to do too long of an adventure now. I gotta admit, the gloves, the hands are a little bit chilly. Well, they're just starting to get cold. Because with Highway 21s, this would not be an issue. with these, it's a little bit of an issue. Lincoln Tunnel in less than a mile. Beautiful. As long as I make it to the city without too much crazy rain, I think we're gonna be all right. Big ass trucks. Pass them, pass them. Pass them, pass them. You're good. And there we are. Now I gotta get to the right side. Talk her away. Somewhat of a sharp turn, so downshift. Downshift, downshift. Swear to God, every time I ride from Jersey, it's temperature like this. Man, yesterday when I was late splitting in the Lincoln Tunnel, dude, there was such a big pothole. I'm gonna play that clip. Whoa, Jesus fucking Christ, that was crazy. Cause that was fucking nearly deadly. I almost died there. Fucking hell. I was not, I mean, I didn't die, but could have dumped it. Could have fucking fell off. Going like 510. Not cool. Nobody's in my bot, so not too concerned with going too slow. And I like how there's no traffic at all. None. Hi ladies and gents, thanks for watching. I think the next vlog will be in Manhattan. Gorgeousness. What are we thinking? Queens or Brooklyn? Might as well do Queens. Queens is chill.